Welcome to InstantGMP. In this video, we're excited to introduce InstantGMP's room logs, designed specifically for FDA-regulated companies, and now featuring a responsive design. This module empowers clients to efficiently manage, execute, and track room-related tasks with ease. As we explore the room log section, you'll find a comprehensive list of rooms, each displaying various service statuses. Red indicates that the room is not fit for use, yellow indicates pending quality activities, and green signifies the room is fit for production. Click on a room number and it will take you into the electronic room log, starting with the cover page displaying essential information such as the ID number, current status, and responsible parties depending on the task. Moving to the next tab, you can review and trace all historical activities associated with the room, including usage, status changes, and quality checks like cleaning. Users are required to sign off on activities ensuring automatic recording of the who, what, when, and why. InstantGMP, making room management easier.